This is a 191 Corolla Luna model. It's in precious silver, which is a pearlescent paint. It's an upgraded paint to your normal paint. This car has 33,000 kilometers on it. It was traded in here at the crossings. The car comes with alloy wheels. It comes with a backup camera. It's a hatchback. Both back seats fold down. Has a large screen for a rear view mirror. Automatic, like all hybrids. Power windows, locks, mirrors. Electric vehicle mode is available on this vehicle. This car comes with the remainder of new car factory warranty and includes servicing for 2 more years. This is the driver's side. Comes with cruise control, collision avoidance. Everything is controlled from the steering wheel. Nice sport seats. If you'd like to come and test drive this car, it's available to be test driven. We offer 24-hour test drives, and we will be open from 9 to 5 tomorrow, Saturday, and 8:30 to 6 every other day.